Yeah, yeah. So I just done watch the Bob Marley tribute, and I kind of like it. I'm not really here to talk about whether or not I felt that the performance was long enough or was too short, or maybe the persons on it weren't of good enough standard. I'm not here to talk about that. I'm just here pretty much to share my thoughts, my simple little Jamaican boy thoughts about what I think about Jamaica and what we are doing to promote our culture on the international circuit. Listen to me. I am somebody that loves, when I talk I love my Jamaican culture from the bottom of my heart. And it kind of pained me to see that after 50 years, we haven't sort of learned to embrace our own culture. We've allowed external forces and countries to see the value of our creative industries, and we are still trying to catch up to all of this thing. Um, we need to realize that 2013 has started and the world already is kind of saying brand Jamaica. Why isn't Jamaica saying brand Jamaica? You do realize the VW commercial, that was the first thing, or our own language was featured in it, Creole. We tried to do Jamaica tried to do a Creole Bible and tried to get Creole into the schools as part of the curriculum, or trying to bring it together. And what are we as Jamaicans doing? We're doing a fight in our own language. Every other country has sort of accepted that they have a vernacular and try to sort of normalize it and put it into making it regularized. Yeah, regularize everything. With Jamaica, no, we're going to fight and say, okay, this is for uptown, this is for downtown, this doesn't belong here, and exactly that's what's going to happen. What is going to happen eventually is that one day an outside agency, or probably some overseas country, is going to do a Pato Bible or to do a Creole handout, and we are the ones that are going to purchase it. Second thing, since the start of the year, Beyonce's Super Bowl performance, we do realize that she was using her dance moves, the cow foot, the dirty wine, the Jamaican music was being featured in this performance. Big international act like Beyonce, and to choose to include in her set one of her number one songs, which is a collaboration with our Sean Paul, and we still haven't ceased to really, what are we really doing to embrace it? Thirdly, then you have this Bob Marley commercial, not Bob Marley commercial. Oh gosh, I'm really tired, so you have to sit with me. This Bob Marley tribute that was done, separate and aside from the fact that everybody is kind of complaining as to whether or not Bob Marley was given enough respect in this performance or enough allotted enough time. That is neither here nor there for me. But this is more about the world really appreciating and accepting a cultural icon. I mean, I really respect Bob, but to really see this award show and to see my own idols, people that I watch on TV daily, and to really see them in this one room, and for everybody to sort of embrace and accept this Jamaican music and to love it. What are we doing? When Bob came with his song here, people weren't really too keen on accepting him, but when he went away and then this music became a brand, we are trying to play catch up. I'm really sick and tired of it. In Jamaica right about now, I am somebody that wants to pursue some sort of work in the creative industry. Is there a space for me in Jamaica? There might not be, so I might just end up becoming one of those people that go abroad and try to build up somebody else's country. I don't really want to do that. But it's just sickening in Jamaica. Everybody, this whole emphasis that is being placed on agriculture, this agriculture, that tourism, that. I mean, I'm not saying that anything is really bad with it, but I'm really just, yeah, I'm simply just fed up of so much of the country's energies and resources being placed into these two sectors, and it is not really bearing fruit. I believe that the creative industry help to facilitate, help to bring up facilities that are going to improve our dance, or language, or food. This is what Jamaica is known for, and the sooner we realize that Jamaica is a brand, is the sooner we will start to reaping the benefits. I don't want to be ruined when I'm a grandfather, that my kids are going to have to be learning about our culture from the Chinese and from some Europeans that kind of saw the value of our culture. That is my thoughts about right about now. Big up Bob Marley, big up all who respect and appreciate Jamaican culture. But don't feel proud. Don't feel proud just because you saw Jamaica at the Grammys, being represented at the Grammys. Feel proud because you're actually doing something to honor your own Jamaicanness, to really prove to the world that as Jamaica we can be a force to be reckoned with. You get me? That's just it. I'm just praying that some the government officials or whoever the powers that may be, that they'll actually kind of take into my message and actually realize that please put a little emphasis into our Jamaican culture. It has so much value. The world sees it. It's time that Jamaica recognizes it. Oh, peace out. Bye, everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Thank you very much.